An announcement from Ottawa this morning designed to make cities and people like Mayor Tory happy is falling a little short. Yes, the city is expecting some funding from the feds as of June the 10th. However, it's not something anyone here at City Hall wasn't expecting already. It's a grand sum total of $2.2 billion already promised to cities across the country. Only now, Ottawa will be writing the check a little bit faster than planned.
Normally, municipalities receive these payments in 2 installments. But we know that cities and towns need this money right away as they deal with COVID-19.
Prime Minister Trudeau's infrastructure funding is money that has been planned from the federal gas tax, which could be used for projects to help put people to work. In 2018, Toronto received more than $165 million from the gas tax. It was expecting another $1.8 billion over the next 8 years to help replace and renew TTC subways, streetcars, and buses. Not what the city needs now, according to Mayor Tory.
This announcement is a good start, but it does not represent the comprehensive response needed for cities, including the City of Toronto, and it is not new money. I say it is a good start because today the Government of Canada acknowledged more funding would be coming to help Toronto and other municipalities. That help from the other governments, both provincial and federal, must come soon.
The city could lose between $1.5 and $2.8 billion as a result of the pandemic. Tory says major services would have to be cut and thousands of employees would lose their jobs if the feds didn't provide more. Here's your latest numbers from Toronto for COVID-19. There have now been a total number of 11,338 cases. The daily increase remains around the same, with 164 this time around. 8,630 people have recovered, which is up 184. And there are now 5 more deaths in the city, bringing the total to 828. A couple of other things to come from the city's briefing today. Mayor Tory announcing that public washrooms in parks will soon be opening. 50 of the 200 that exist will be open as of this weekend, with the rest opening by mid-June. Also, he referenced a briefing that he had this morning about making more space for patios when that finally happens. He says they have a, quote, robust program in store that will offer that extra space when the time comes.